morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This time for tuning into my 2967th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Good evening, traders. It's Wednesday evening. This video is being filmed for trading on Thursday, 9/11/2025. I don't want to talk about 9/11. I was there for that mess. It changed my life. Anyway, 9/11/2025. Traders, very risky. Please know this. Trading is risky, 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 risky. Never trade without protective stops. Always put them in first. Let's get moving. All right. The OMNI turns red for trading on Thursday. Downside Thursday is what I'm here to tell you. Why? Because now I get to say flat tops produce market drops. I wasn't able to say that last night. Why? Well, we had what looked like could have been a flat top, but I had a green OMNI. Now I've got a red OMNI. Downside Thursday. Here we go. Now I'm free to say flat tops produce market drops. Now, what did we do for Wednesday? We got long the YM. It went up to the flat top. We took profits right there. Sidestepped. Viva la OMNI. Gave us a great trade. The YM came all the way back down towards the end of the day. Just on time for OMNI to flip its arrow. And then I get to claim this is a flat top. And flat tops produce market drops. We'd expect at least some reaction on the downside in the mini Dow for trading on Thursday. Downside Thursday, OMNI turns red, flat tops produce market drops. That's what I wanted to show you, kids. If you want to join me in Australia, there is literally 4 weeks left. There's almost no more time for me to qualify you for a seat. If you want to be with me in Queensland, I will be there on the Gold Coast in 1 month. October 17th, I'll be there. OMNIBootCamp.com. Go fill out your OmniCamp applications now. This is OmniCamp in Australia. Make sure you are there. OmniCamp in Australia at the Gold Coast. There is almost no time left. Fill out your applications now at OmniBootCamp.com. Traders, this is a risky game. Risky, risky, risky. Never trade without protective stops. Always put them in first. You should know that already. Be ready for the possibility of the flat top will produce a market drop on Thursday. Traders, thank you so much for tuning in. Remember, stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll, traders. I will see you all at livewithoscar.com. Make sure you join me there. Have a great day trading on Thursday.